The internet has changed everything. We shop online, bank online, even meet people online. But this digital convenience comes with a price risk. Cyber attacks happen every day. Hackers try to steal data, disrupt businesses, and cause chaos. No business, big or small, is safe. Traditional cybersecurity methods like firewalls and antivirus software are not enough. They're like using a bicycle lock on the front door of a bank, better than nothing, but not enough to stop a real criminal. Enter artificial intelligence. AI is changing the game, giving businesses powerful new tools to fight back against cyber threats. AI is like having a tireless security guard that never sleeps. It can analyze huge amounts of data, spot patterns humans miss, and learn from experience. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. For humans, it's nearly impossible. But an AI system can quickly sift through the hay, identify the needle based on its properties, and even learn to recognize different types of needles in the future. That's what AI does for cybersecurity. It detects suspicious activity in real time, identifies malware before it infects systems, and even predicts future attacks. There are many different AI tools available, each with its strengths. These tools are designed to help businesses streamline operations, enhance security, and make data-driven decisions. User and Entity Behavior Analytics, or UEBA, is one such tool. It focuses on monitoring and analyzing the behaviors of users and entities within your network. It learns the normal behavior of users and devices on a network. By establishing a baseline of normal activity, UEBA can detect anomalies that may indicate potential security threats. Anything unusual, like a user accessing files they don't usually touch, triggers an alert. This allows your security team to respond quickly to potential threats before they escalate. Then there's security information and event management, or SIEM software. SIEM tools are essential for comprehensive security monitoring and incident response. This tool collects and analyzes security data from various sources, providing a comprehensive view of the security landscape. It helps in identifying patterns and correlating events to detect potential security incidents. AI-powered SIEMs can automate threat detection and response. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems can identify and mitigate threats in real time, reducing the burden on your security team. And let's not forget next-generation firewalls. These advanced firewalls go beyond traditional packet filtering to provide deeper inspection and more robust security features. These firewalls use AI to identify and block malicious traffic, even if it's disguised as legitimate traffic. They can adapt to new threats and provide a dynamic defense against cyber attacks. These are just a few examples. The landscape of AI tools is vast and constantly evolving, offering new solutions to meet the ever-changing challenges of cybersecurity. The key is to choose the tools that best fit your business needs and integrate them into your existing security infrastructure. By doing so, you can enhance your security posture and protect your business from potential threats. AI offers several advantages over traditional cybersecurity methods, making it an essential tool for modern businesses. First, there's speed and scale. AI systems can process data at incredible speeds, far surpassing human capabilities. AI can analyze massive amounts of data much faster than humans, enabling real-time threat detection and response. This means potential threats can be identified and neutralized almost instantaneously. This is crucial in today's fast-paced digital environment, where every second counts. Then there's accuracy. AI algorithms are trained on vast data sets, allowing them to identify even the most subtle signs of malicious activity. These algorithms continuously learn and adapt, improving their accuracy over time. This helps reduce false positives and ensures that real threats are addressed promptly. By minimizing false alarms, security teams can focus on genuine threats, enhancing overall efficiency. Finally, there's proactive defense. AI can analyze past attacks to predict future threats and vulnerabilities. By understanding patterns and trends, AI can anticipate potential breaches before they occur. This proactive approach allows businesses to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. It enables companies to implement preventive measures rather than just reacting to incidents. By leveraging AI, businesses can strengthen their security posture, reduce the risk of successful attacks, and protect their valuable assets. This not only safeguards sensitive information, but also ensures business continuity and customer trust. Section 5. Real-world wins. AI cybersecurity in action. Here are some real-world examples of how AI is making a difference in cybersecurity. Financial institutions, like banks, use AI to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, preventing millions of dollars in losses. Healthcare providers, such as hospitals, use AI to secure patient data, ensuring HIPAA compliance and protecting sensitive information from breaches. Government agencies use AI to detect and prevent cyber espionage, safeguarding national security. These examples highlight the tangible benefits of AI-powered cybersecurity solutions across various industries. Section 6. The future is AI. Navigating the evolving cybersecurity landscape. The cyber threat landscape is constantly evolving. Hackers are always developing new tactics and techniques, so businesses need to stay ahead of the curve. AI is not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful tool that can help businesses stay ahead of the game in the fight against cybercrime. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and effective cybersecurity solutions in the future. Section 7. AI and humans. A powerful partnership for cybersecurity. Some people worry that AI will replace human cybersecurity professionals. In reality, AI is not here to replace humans, but to augment their capabilities. AI can handle the tedious and time-consuming tasks like analyzing logs and identifying known threats. This frees up human analysts to focus on more strategic work, such as threat hunting and incident response. The best cybersecurity approach combines the strengths of AI and human expertise. Section 8. Choosing the right AI tools, a guide for businesses. With so many AI tools available, it can be challenging to choose the right ones for your business. The landscape of AI technology is vast and constantly evolving, making it essential to stay informed about the latest advancements and trends. Here are some factors to consider when selecting AI tools for your business. Specific security needs. Identify your organization's most critical assets and potential vulnerabilities to select tools that address those areas. This involves conducting a thorough risk assessment to understand where your business is most at risk and what kind of AI solutions can mitigate those risks effectively. Integration. Ensure the AI tools integrate seamlessly with your existing security infrastructure and workflows. Compatibility is key. The tools should enhance your current systems without causing disruptions or requiring extensive modifications. Expertise. Consider whether you have the in-house expertise to manage and maintain the AI tools, or if you need to outsource to a managed security service provider or MSSP. Training your staff or hiring new talent might be necessary to fully leverage the capabilities of the AI tools. Choosing the right tools and implementing them effectively is crucial for maximizing the return on your AI cybersecurity investment. Proper implementation not only enhances security but also improves efficiency and productivity, leading to better overall business performance. Section 9. Preparing for the future. Investing in AI cybersecurity. Investing in AI cybersecurity is not optional. It's essential for any business that operates online. Start by assessing your current security posture and identifying areas where AI can make the biggest impact. Then, explore the available AI tools and choose the ones that best meet your needs and budget. Don't forget to invest in training for your IT staff to ensure they can effectively manage and utilize these new technologies. Section 10. Conclusion. A secure future with AI. The future of cybersecurity belongs to those who fully embrace the power of AI. By leveraging the speed, accuracy, and proactive capabilities of AI-powered solutions, businesses can navigate the evolving threat landscape and protect their valuable assets effectively. Investing in AI cybersecurity is not just about mitigating risk. It's about gaining a competitive advantage in an increasingly digital world. Remember, the future is here, and it's intelligent, adaptive, and ever-evolving.